Guangdong Dalian Kitchen Equipment Company Limited was established in 2014 and covers an area of 10,000 square meters and located in Dongguan, China. It is a leading enterprise in the commercial dishwasher and kitchen equipment industry, with strong technical strength and complete production lines. Our kitchen equipment are suitable for most restaurants, hotels, canteens. The company's main products include pressure fryer, fast food equipment, undercounter dishwasher, hood-type dishwasher, rack conveyor dishwasher, induction cooker griddle, oven, and automatic cookers. Dalian has been committed to providing international standard quality commercial dishwasher and kitchen products and one-stop solutions for all partners. Our partner factory have the most advanced laser cutting machine, bending machine. From product development to production inspection, we have a complete set of quality control process. Also, we have obtained CE Reach ROSI S 09001 certification. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, the products are also exported to customers all over the world as the United States, European, and Southeast Asian countries. We have an experienced product development team making sure to provide ODM service with above requirement quality. In a market environment of the brand economy of the times, winning the trust of customers with quality. By maintaining a strong focus on customer satisfaction is the beginning of successful Dalian brand operation. We focus on delivering reliable solutions tailored to the needs of commercial kitchens worldwide.